So we are going to start our first project on Photoshop, which is color. We are going to use color, shape, and text. These three things: color, shape, and text. We are not going to do anything fancy for now, and you guys will also do the same thing and submit if you can. I'll show you how to do that. So first, um, what you do first is to come down here at the bottom here, around the left, the right corner, the bottom here. You see this. You tap on it. That's the gradient. That's where you see the options. You see color, gradient, pattern. The list goes on. So what we want to do is to fill a color in here in the white space. So we want to give it a color. So you just tap here, select the color you want to give. So if you want to the color, if you want to give it any color, you just choose the color you want to give it. So for me, I want a red background. Yeah, I want a red. Oh, I want a red background. So for me, I want a red background. Red background. Double tap. Double tap the black area. Choose a red background. Maybe if you see this exclamation, you can tap on it or leave it, whichever you want. Tap on it to adjust the color to make it friendly to the eyes. It does that sometimes. So after you click, you adjust the color to any color you want. You tap on OK. So have this. So first we are dealing with color, text, and what shapes. So we have this. So the next thing is adding text. This is our text, right? Our text tool. Tap on the text tool. Tap here. You have this showing. So whatever you want to write, you can write it here. I would like to write something like contrast. So that's what I want to show here. So that's what why I'm using it. So after I write the contrast, tap on this. Yes, you have it here. So now go to the move tool, tap on the move tool in case you want to move it around. If you don't do that and you still want to click, you'll be clicking and then the text, you'll be having more text displays. So to avoid it, just tap on the move tool so that you can move this around. I get it. So if if you can move this around, you can come over here to adjust the size of the text. Come over here, whatever size you want. We want you have this size. So adjust the size. Then you can choose the text type. I'm using Myriad Pro, which is an inbuilt any Photoshop, or when it comes with the it's a text that's in any computer. So you can also use it, equally use it. So Myriad Pro, just come over the regular side and then choose a bold, how you want it to be. You want it to be bold, tap on bold. Have this contrast, huge contrast. So the other thing is if you want to align this contrast without dragging it, you want it to be in the center without bringing it up and down like this. You just come over here, tap here, selection, go to align to selection, and go to align to, and then canvas, select canvas. So when you select canvas, you have this. So this will be activated. This will be activated. So the next thing you are going to do is to this it shows this is left edges. You want to align it to the left edge. Tab and see, you see it is at the left edge. Tab and see is at the right edge. The whole text, not that one of part of it is out of the text, the canvas. No, it's in the canvas. So we want it to be aligned to center. So tap on this one. This is the align horizontal centers. Horizontal centers, you have it. So and then these are also vertical centers, edges. If you want to be at the vertical edge, to be down, you don't want it. You want it to be here. This is center aligned. This is now center aligned. So we still have more of them here. These other options, but we'll talk about them later. We have this, we have this. So so the next thing is a shape. So these are the shapes we have, right? We have rectangle, circle, we have rounded edge, rectangle, we have custom shapes, which we are going to tap on, right? If you tap on rectangle, you're going to have, and then you click drag, you have it showing in black. So if you wish to change the color from this color, you can come over here, fill, this is stroke. So I'll tell you the difference here. So the stroke is the color at the edges. If you want it to have green color at the edges, you come to stroke, change the thickness of the stroke to make it big. You have this. You are getting it, but we don't want the stroke. I don't want the stroke. Or maybe I'll leave it. So I'll choose 4, right? And then change, if you wish to change the color to any other color from black, you can do it, but I'm going to leave mine uh, uh, black. So you have this. So you have this. You can align it too with the canvas. So if it's not how you like it, you can align it by yourself. So here, this is what we have, the shape. So using the irregular shape, um, custom shape, you come over here, tap on the custom shape. Um, you come over here, you see this shape, fill, you see the line, you see this, that's the width, you see this. Okay, so now we come over here, we can choose different shapes. I don't know what you have over there, but definitely you will have a triangle. So try and choose a triangle. Just select a triangle. If you don't have a triangle over there, then we'll handle it later. By all means, you have a triangle. For me, I don't have a triangle here, so I don't have a triangle here. So let me just come over here. So depending on the version of Photoshop you are using, that will show like that will show how easy these things can be done. I'm looking for a triangle. I can't find one. I've seen stuff that look like triangle. Okay, we have a triangle here. We have a triangle, so that one triangle. Double click. We have a triangle. Then come over here. So one thing is, if you are creating a shape and you want all the sizes to be the same, just say if I click and drag right now, uh, it morphs, it easily morphs. So to ensure there's an even extension, just press down on shift and drag to make sure that there's an even extension of the shape. I getting it. This is what you have. So you have an even extension like this. So and we have the strokes. If you don't want the strokes, you can just come over here, on this. We will not have any strokes, no strokes. So we can move it to the top, resize it. To resize it, you tap on Ctrl plus T to bring it, highlight it like this. You come to the edges, again tap on Shift and what, drag it down. You can drag it up, but we are dragging it down to this, right? Then we can align it. After that, press on this commit transform, right? And or press on enter. You have this like this. You can center align it here horizontally. Have it like this. It's now aligned horizontally. So for this one, if you want to change the stroke at the edges, that is the green at the edges. It's easy. Just tap on it. Over here to properties, you see everything. Then you just come over here, take out the green at the edges. So that's it. We just use color, shapes, and text in one video. So this is assignment for you guys to try to replicate this with your PC. If you have any challenges, let me know. Right.